Operating system. Student will be able to understand the translator that converts computer language into a machine language. Explain the operating system. Differentiate between different operating systems. Differentiate between the types of operating systems. We need a translator to convert computer language into a machine language, binary language. When we enter input in the form of computer language, the translator translates it to the binary language. The translator between the user and the computer knows both computer and machine language. Such type of translator is called operating system. We give instructions to one computer through operating system. The operating system is made up of special commands which controls computer devices and processing of input and output. For example, MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, etc. Functions of operating system: controls the working of input and output devices, assigns various programs to the memory, runs the application software, keeps track of copy and storage of files, etc. Provides security by means of password to prevent misuse of computer. There are two types of operating systems depending on the users. Single user system. If on one computer only one person can work, it is called single user system. For example, MS-DOS. Multi-user system. On one computer, if more than one person can work, then it is called multi-user system. For example, MS Windows. Good habits. Do not give your username and password to any outsider. Keywords: translator, single user system, operating system, multi-user system.